means very, very cold. Age means... I'm here on the volunteer Teach English program. I signed up for 2 weeks, and during those 2 weeks I learned Arabic for a couple of hours, but mainly on a daily basis I was teaching one class of English to a group of about 10 to 15 students. And overall it was a really nice experience. The students were very, very friendly, very easy to teach, and very keen on learning English.
So my program here was volunteer and study with Arabic. And so with the centre, I did Arabic every morning, so about 2 hours, which was really, really fun. Super immersive, you got going really quickly. And we also would go on trips to the old city and see the local people, which was really amazing to get involved in the culture really early on.
I joined the journalism and media program. I stayed for 3 weeks, and in these 3 weeks I had various of different tasks and things to do with the program. Some Arabic lessons to get used to the language, and also we visited the Al-Fawaq camp to talk to people there, and we also met with some journalists from Reuters and from different radio stations here in Hebron.
While staying here, we got to stay with family, and Marwa and Osama, we stayed next door to them, so it was really nice. We were close by, we got invited into tea in the evenings, which was really lovely.
The program, because I want to focus on photojournalism, that's my current goal. So with the program and being here in Palestine, that both together was like a very good combination for me.
My message would be to me in the future, or if I hadn't come, what would my message be to me? I would say, look, what you read is not the true picture. If you really want to want to learn the true picture of a place, you have to visit. So come, the people here are really friendly, they will accommodate you, the centre has accommodation, the people on the street are very friendly, and you will see firsthand how it is to live here and how they make the best of what they have.